The new automated permanent academic account registry ID has been launched by the Government of India as part of the National Education Policy 2020 to permanently record the students' information in a digital format. Commonly understood as One Nation, One Student ID, this scheme is a step towards the simplification and integration of student education records. But what exactly is APAR ID? Why is it necessary and how can you apply for it? Let's explore. What is APAR ID? APAR ID is a unique identification number provided by the Ministry of Education to students across India. It digitally records academic credentials and achievements in one centralized system for easier documentation and tracing. Key benefits of APAR ID. Digital academic records. Students' educational credentials are securely stored online. Integrated education system connects school, college, and university education seamlessly. Centralized data eliminates the need for repeated submission of documents for admissions. Easy tracing enables institutions to monitor students' progress efficiently. Access to government benefits helps a student avail various scholarships and education schemes. Eligibility and requirements for APAR ID. Applicable to school, college, and university students across India. Parental consent is mandatory for issuing an APAR ID. The students must provide their Aadhaar card and other academic details for registration. How to register for APAR ID? Offline registration process. Visit your school or college and request an APAR ID registration form. Fill in the required details such as name, class, institution details, and parent-guardian information. Obtain parental consent and submit the form to the institution. Once verified, the student will receive their unique APAR ID. Online registration process. Visit the Academic Bank of Credit online official website. Go to My Account and select the student option. Register on DigiLocker. Students need to provide their Aadhaar number and other details. Complete KYC verification. Share Aadhaar details for identity confirmation. Enter required educational details like school, name, class, etc. and submit. Once verified, the APAR ID will be generated successfully. How to download APAR ID? Log in to the ABC Bank website, locate the APAR card download option in the dashboard, click on download or print as per your requirement. Your APAR ID card will be saved digitally for future use. Can parents withdraw their consent? Parents can inform the school or education institution at any time of withdrawing their consent for their kid to participate in the program. APAR ID is a significant initiative and aimed at digitizing and securing a student's academic journeys in India. With this centralized ID, students can easily access their educational records, simplifying admissions and benefiting from government scholarships and schemes. If you are a student or a parent, register for APAR ID today and download your digital academic identity.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.